Hello guys, I'm Luciana Official. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, it's been a long time before I upload another video, but I'm back with full force. For those who have subscribed, like my previous video, I appreciate, by the way. I love you so much. Yeah. If you have not, guys, please subscribe for me, like, share, comment. I just think I need your comments, by the way. If you have any question, if you want me to do another video, yeah, I'll do it for you. But for today, I have a very special video. I want to show you where I grew up from. Yeah, since I was a kid, I want to show you guys, I show you our homestead, everything, and you love it. So come with me, guys, I'll show you. It happens in a homestead. You can't lack bananas. Mandizi iko kwa wingi. Mwenye anataka niambie nimtumie leo tamletea. Yeah, you can see how big they look. Yeah. Lakini hii si motele yenye watu wanasemanga, si motele. But nitauliza tu ni gani, but you can see how they grow big. Yeah, I just love them, by the way. I was raised up eating this. So up to now I do it, by the way. You can see. Yeah, you can see that we have maize, but then they are growing. You can see maize and beans, they are growing. Then we have in a homestead still you can grow vegetables. Like here, we have kales, sukuma wiki. We have them, you can grow. We have terele, by the way. For those who like greens, you have it. Yeah, you can see that there is sugarcane here. You can still grow it here. Like everything here. Bananas. Mandizi do mingi huku, mandizi do mingi. If you like that, mandizi, I'll give you. Just text me, comment there down, and I'll come and visit you with some. Yeah, in the other side you can see. Hey, but guys, here there is pawpaw. When you're napenda papai, hey, come and see. These ones, but they are too small. Not yet, they are not yet. You see? If you love, tell me, I will come with them tomorrow. So as we go, we still have avocados. We still have avocados here, by the way. So you guys don't mind about the shoe. We are just going. We have the avocados here. If you love, just tell me. They'll be willing to bring them to you. Yeah, you can see. But then by 2020, by 2019, we were having cows, goats. You can see here there is majani. So guys, at the same way I'm showing you, this is the same place I was passing when I was going to the river. Today we were going to fetch water to the river, washing clothes, like everything you are doing there. Mto kwa mtu haraka kuchota maji na kufua nguo. Hey, oh my God. And here, guys, we have another tree here. I don't know how you call it. If you are Arabic, by the way, I don't know. But for us, mutafifo. Size haina hizo fruits, it doesn't have for now. But you know, time ikikuja tu ikiwa nazo, I'll show you a video. So you can see they grow very well, by the way. Even there's a market here around of these fruits. Don't ignore them. So we still go. Yeah, I hope you are liking the video. Yeah, I will appreciate. But then we are about to go to the river where I used to fetch water and wash clothes, as I'm telling you. Then there is another tree here. I think you can see it well. Oh, don't mind. Kuna mvua mingi. I think you know this tree, macadamia tree. This is where you used to come every day, after school. You are passing here. We take some macadamia here, but for now they are easy. Ningewaonyesha lakini hakuna. So our homestead is a very nice place. I just love it. You can see how green it is. You can see how it is. just love the nature here. That's why I have decided to show you. We're still going. That's my back. Yeah. Yes, finally I've got what I wanted here. About the avocados. We have different types here. Like these are, see how small they are. Some others are big, by the way. You can see here there are several. These are the other ones there. I don't know if you can see here, no. Akijua huku, smile. Lakini unaona kama hii iko na matunda tayari, iko na avocados. If you want, this is the place where I got the avocados, macadamia. Well, so we still continue. In our homestead there is trees. If any meet you trees there kujenga nyumba hivi, we do that processing, by the way. But next video I'll show you. You can see this one there. Kama hata kujenga nyumba, by the way, watu wanakuja kukata miti huku wakijenga nyumba wananunua. That's what my grandmother does. We don't know, but kama angekuwa around ngoja tu video tu na yeye. For now, let me just first show you something here. Just what we are about to get to the river where I used to fetch water and wash my clothes. After school, after everything, weekend, swimming, what was the more water? Come, let me show you. Tupite hapa. Hapa kuna nini? Kwa tu kuna majani mingi. Unajua sana nowadays tuko digital, watu kuna kwenda kwa mto, kuna kuchota maji kwa mto zibaki, unaona tu place kwa hivyo. So watu wengi they don't start maji taika kwa home. Yeah, we wash our clothes there. So no, tuendaje mto panda, maana unaona kuna side kichaka. Yani kwa really a view for you, you just want to see the river. This is what I was telling you guys. That's the river there. I think wanaona vizuri, si ndio? That's the river there. I think we can reach there and I show you how where we were washing our clothes and where we were fetching the water. I think the other side, hebu onyeshe huko. You see that side? Ni vichaka too, but people are still coming by that time. Yeah. So let's go to the river, by the way. Tunaenda hadi huko kwa mto niwaonyeshe. Pale nilikuwa na swim. Where I was swimming. So, but before we reach to at the river, I want to show you the other side of the river. Kulikuwa unaitwa Marcos. The people they know. You can see the view. Yeah, people they know. Hata wanajua wakiona hii video, wata like, by the way. So it was very, very fun. So sweet memories, by the way. I don't think nowadays, like you are just meeting with the people of the other side, yeah, and you are meeting together. Hey, ilikuwa tamu, mnafoma nguo nini, everything, like you just grabbed it. Yeah. Sasa my guys, nimeja kuna kichaka huko, lakini tunafika kwa mto tu. Tunafika sai, tunafika sai. You can still. Yeah, but it's naenda karibu kufika. Naenda tu kuonyesha view, the view venye ni. It's sana. And now we are back where I was passing when I was going to the river. Kuna kaa uoga sio? I'm still going. You can see the other side. Yeah, you can see that side. By the way, this place is growing. Hey, watu wanaweza kujenga huko hadi kwa mto. Hizi inajengwa hapo, but ikifunguliwa I'll show you a video there. So twende. Mind viatu nilivaa hizi viatu nikilia huku hakuna matope wapi. We are almost there, guys. Guess what? Mto. By the river is called River Caremeno. Wow. You can see how it is. This is a cave, by the way. There down you can see a cave. We used to fear this place, or well, we didn't love this place. because we fear there are some crocodiles. What was that we were being told when we were young. But for now, you know everything for now. So we are just almost, guys. We are just almost to the river. I'm fearing. I don't know why. I'm fearing. Oh yeah, Jesus. Hey, but I just wanted to show you. Yeah, it came from where I grew up from. Yeah. So, yes. This is the river now. I will show them now. Really, I'm here. Don't take those pictures, those videos. Don't. Yeah. But by the way, you can see there's some boys swimming there. You can see it. Yeah, this is where you used to come and fetch water, clean our clothes, swimming. Or just do all that. Yeah, I was just doing all that. Yeah, you can see the view so sweet. So smart. And just love it. I miss it. By the way, finally I'm here. Oh my God. Can't remember. So for now, boy, you say dingin lagi. You see that place. By the way, we used to pass here when we were going in childhood. Childhood. Yeah, kuna kitu ningefanya by that time. Tulikuwa tunapumzika hapa kwa hii mawe by the time baba mtungi hapa. Tunapumzika hapa kwanza. Tunatembea kutembea. Hey, oh my God. Kwa karibu kumalizia video. Our video is almost over. Yeah. Don't check those boys a video, okay? Don't. Just go there. So, this is the place. Guys, you can see. This is where we used to wash our clothes. Whether people don't come here. See how it looks? No, they don't. Yeah, I'm back in the river now. Hey, only maji kwa bahari aje. I just love it. I love it. This is where I used to fetch our water by the way. Fetching water. Yeah, and guys, that was our video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. It's a lot to 500 subscribers, guys. So support me. Nothing but the best.